Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mount that goes on the front where you can get access to clear your drain spouts or whatever they're called because the moonroof was clogged. So click this video. There's a couple of videos, honestly, probably 3 or 4 on how to get it unclogged, but I didn't show how I got this piece off, so I wanted to show you real quick. It's pretty simple. All you need is a wrench, a 9x16 inch bit, to get some bolts loose, which are right there and right there. That's for your wipers. And then there's this big plastic piece. So it's a little annoying in this corner, at least on my model, this is 2016. You've gotta see how the holes there, you can see the screw. You just gotta line them up and get them in there. But this corner's a little tricky. It's kind of hard with one hand, guys, so just bear with me. See that? Once you move that, and it should, see that? There we go. And then once you're on, this one should move, and then the whole thing seats. And then what's cool is these little clips right here, there's like 6 of them or so. They go right on here, and they snap on just like this one. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with that whole thing because I'm pretty sure you're smart. If you're watching this video, you're smart enough to do that. But you basically get it seated. See how you want it flush right here? Get it flush, and you'll be able to tell. It'll look good. And then you just take your wiper right here, put it back on right there. And you probably have to finagle it a little bit, do a little wiggling and such. But you do it on both of them. And then, hopefully you can see that. It's really hard to do with one hand, guys. And then you just got your bolts that are gonna go on there on the top. And then there's just these little plastic covers, which are super easy to get off with a flat head. So that's it, man. This probably took me 20 minutes, 30 minutes to clear them and do everything. If you missed the video, don't miss it. This is what you want to get out of there. It's a little filter, a little stupid plastic piece that clogs it, and the flathead will get it out. So hit subscribe, hit thumbs up if you like this video. Once again, this was how to get this 2016 Nissan Rogue fixed, where the water was pooling down in here, sadly, instead of falling down to the drain. So you got to get this piece off to get to that drain to fix it. So that's in the other video how I cleared that. So hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, check out the videos. We'll see you next time.